Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will learn how to scale an analog input in GXWorks 2. In the previous video we learned how to connect and read an analog input. When we tested it out we found out that lowest point of 4 mA was equal to the value 761. And that the highest point of 20 mA was equal to 3062 in the program when we read from the analog input channel. I will now show how we can scale it down to the value 0 when it is equal to 4 mA. And then how we can choose which value should be our maximum of 20 mA. In GXWorks I will begin with adding a normally open contact and use the M8000 memory bit. This one is an always true contact just to let the program always read the instructions. In the first instruction we want to convert our value from the input channel to a float value. In the second instruction we want to subtract the lowest value, which in my case is 761. In the third instruction we then want to multiply our new value with the value we want as the highest point. I am going to go with 100. In the fourth instruction we want to multiply the new value with the highest value, which in my case is 3062. Then the last instruction we want to use the new value and convert it into an integer so we can read it in decimal format. Now let's download this program and test it out. As you can see now that the simulator is at 20 mA, the value is 100, just like we multiplied the value here. And if we go down to 4 mA, which is the lowest point, the value will be 0. Now let's say we want to use the value range from 0 to 50. It's very easy to change that, we just change the multiply from 100 down to 50. When we test it out now we can see that when the simulator is at 20 mA the value will be 50 instead of 100. But the lowest point at 4 mA will still be 0. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.